To update your Debian system, run this command. Install dependencies. Add Docker's gnupg key. Add the Docker repository. In latest Debian 13, it is recommended to modernize the apt sources. To do so, run this commands. To install Docker Engine, Docker Compose along with all required components in Debian 13, run this command. Enable the Docker service on system startup using these commands. Check the service status. As you can see in the output, the Docker service is loaded and running. To make sure if Docker is properly installed and working, run the Hello World test container. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message. To verify the installed Docker version, run this command.
Start the lights out, baby. Let it go. In the night lights up, baby, we lose control. Restore the lights up, baby, let it go.
To manage containers without sudo, add your user to the Docker group.
Just turn the lights up, baby, let it go. In the lights up, baby, we lose control. Restore the lights up.
Now verify if you can be able to manage Docker without using sudo. If no permission errors occur, you're good to go. Run this command. If you see nothing, Docker is running in rootful mode. Also check who runs the daemon process. The Dockered process is running as root, so it confirms rootful Docker. Docker now includes Compose as a plugin. If you need most recent version, you can download the standalone Compose binary from Docker Compose GitHub official releases page.
We don't need no